Hello, trading has closed on May 21st, 2025. As always, we'll do our disclaimer, go over our calls, and then make our predictions. It's my trading plan for Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. Remember, it's just a plan. I can change it. It can be wrong, and please trade at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early low. That's this. We had a top here, and they said there was no real reason to change anything, and so far that seems to be working. This is just a reminder of what we said. We said it was possible to have one more move up to the high, but that was killed by gapping down. And we said it was a bullish pattern yesterday unless we gapped and promptly took out this low, and that's what happened. Well, during the day, we got a sell signal in the afternoon that turned out to be an understatement. We got the minimum target immediately, but there's no real reason to stop at the minimum. The DeMark stuff really did call this top pretty well. We still have this trend line that seems to have worked. I don't see any reason to change the plan. If this is the count, this was like 300 handles. We're nowhere near that. This wave hardly seems to be complete, so we should trade lower, but that doesn't mean we have to trade lower tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's pattern has a really high regardless of where we open. The call for a top here is working. See no reason to change the expectation for a sizable drop before this bull market resumes. That doesn't mean we drop every day and doesn't mean we drop tomorrow. There's a wave count saying we completed 5 waves down. Oh, I didn't show that. I mean, if this is A and this is B, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all these fibs work. I mean, that's a clear 5-wave pattern. Doesn't mean it's the only count, but if you rally from here, you at least have an explanation. Back to work. There's a wave count saying we completed 5 waves down. NASDAQ McClellan oscillator is under its lower Bollinger Band. If it reverses back through it, it gives a buy. So accordingly, if we rally tomorrow, I can explain it after the fact, but I'm not looking for long trades this early into a bear phase. My plan is to look for places to enter shorts. I don't have a place to enter right here. So I'm not going to trade against the trend this early into a new bear phase. I just can't go short when you're oversold like this and we've completed 5 waves down and NASDAQ McClellan oscillators in the level where reversal gives a buy. We should trade much lower, but it doesn't mean we have to go lower tomorrow. I don't have a trade right here, but if we rally enough, I'm going to go short. It's the pattern with the early high tomorrow, and that is today's call.